Hey guys, often I get this question, how important is a torque plate for the Subi engines? So here we have the EJ20 5.7. We just do a closed stack build and we bore the cylinder, and now I have honed it and it is honed with the torque plate. We disassemble now the torque plate and check how big is the difference. You see here, the cylinder is in the top area, perfect 99-75 millimeters on these both cylinders. So let's disassemble the torque plate. The torque plate is tightened down with the correct Newton meter for our special Subi bolts. It's something about 140. Let's check the diameter now. And here you can see it. This cylinder is 200 millimeter smaller in the diameter. Like this, it is 100 still. And you see cylinder 2 is 200 millimeter smaller too. So that means when we have a piston who should have a clearance from 700 millimeters, it is now 500 at the top area, because down on the cylinder it should be good. Yes, you see it here. That is pretty bad when the cylinder is not straight. The piston ring runs to the top, and here is there where the party happens, where it's got temperature and where the clearance from the piston and piston rings, and those should be perfect. And I will show you. Come in, Alex. So when the piston ring is installed like this here, and that here is the gap clearance. Now it is not correct because it is not grinded here, and when the gap clearance is like this, it should be something about 0.3, 0.4 millimeter at the top. So when you have now honed the cylinder without torque plate and you tighten the heads down, maybe it can go smaller or bigger. That's pretty bad, because except when it goes smaller, the piston ring gap clearance goes like this, and then it stucks, and you have bad sealing piston rings, and then you need a lot of oil. Or when it is too big at the top, the piston ring gap is getting higher, so you have there a lot of blow-by gases, and that's why it's so important, this small plate. Yes. Okay guys, only a short info video. Hope you enjoy it, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.